Can Zoom hosts see your screen? Currently, Zoom hosts cannot see your screen unless you explicitly share it. Zoom does not give hosts or participants access to your screen without permission. Here's a breakdown of how it works and some privacy tips. How screen sharing works on Zoom. Screen sharing permission. To share your screen, you must click on the Share Screen button and select what you want to show. Other participants, including the host, only see what you've chosen to share. Host control. The host has certain permissions, such as muting participants or turning off their video, but cannot remotely view or control your screen. Privacy tips during Zoom meetings. 1. Disable screen share for attendees. If you're the host, you can control who can share their screen to prevent accidental sharing by others. 2. Close sensitive windows. If you do plan to share your screen, close any windows with private information to avoid accidentally displaying them. 3. Disable remote control. Zoom has an option for remote control during screen share, but this must be accepted by the person sharing their screen. Decline any unwanted requests. 4. Turn off camera and microphone. If you don't need to be on video or audio, keep these off to protect your privacy. By following these steps, you can keep your screen and other private information safe during Zoom calls.